Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. I hope you're feeling splendacious. Today I'll be making some fried boiled dumplings, and here are my beautiful dumplings looking so nice and clean. And first thing first, let's preheat some oil. So just put enough oil in the pot that you like to use, the amount that you like to use. I don't like to use a lot of oil. Okay, so let's cut up these dumplings. Here I have 6 dumplings. And you can use whatever kind of dumpling, as in cornmeal dumpling, white flour dumpling, whole wheat dumpling. Check out the middle. Okay, so for that dumpling I only cut it in two, right? Just cut it in half and put it down, right? That's it. And so I like to do some like that, but most times I like to do it this way. So I cut it in half and then cut the half in half, right? And get a nice little moon. So yeah, use whatever kind of dumpling that you normally use. So vibes from this right here, I love, diddy love, 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 love. I love me some fried boiled dumpling, like I mean, really love. So I'm so intentional normally when I make boiled dumpling. I don't do it all the time, but I love it enough to always look out for extra boiled dumpling, or make sure that I put in extra boiled dumpling in the pot so that I have leftover, so that I can fry some dumpling the next morning. So normally what us Jamaicans tend to do, I'm not sure if it's every Caribbean island do it. You guys can comment down below and let me know. But yeah, we like to use our overnight dumpling, and get this sorted for breakfast. This is mostly for breakfast, but you can do it for anything, breakfast, lunch, or dinner. So yeah, just cut it how you like it, whether you just want to do it in half and have it big, or you want to go ahead and bust the half in half, right? And that is basically it. Yeah, that's it. And here they are. Nice. So yeah, vibes fam, once your oil is hot, then you go ahead and you add the dumpling, and as soon as they are to the desired color that you would like, you flip them over. So even though I'm flipping them over now, they are not necessarily fully to the desired color that I like. I really like them to have a nice little tan, right? But sometimes I tend to flip them over and then get the next side brown and then kind of flip them back over again, just for a short little time, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and take these out. Nice, beautiful. So yeah, because I like for them to be crispy. I don't like them to be soft when I fry them, but do them how you like them. Or if you've never tried this, then try it and fry some, like, I guess light brown, and then do some really brown and see what you like, right? But I like mine to be crispy. That is beautiful. That is perfecto. Just perfect. So, and that is even perfecter. So gorgeous. Listen, just seeing them gets me so excited. Excited. You know, just bite into the middle and it just so good. But yeah, vibes, just take those out and put them on a napkin to drain the excess oil. Gorgeous. So my other Caribbean friends, please remember to comment down below and tell me if you guys normally make these too. So yeah, these now they are ready, as in to be turned over. So I'm gonna flip them over. And also Vibes Fam, comment down below and tell me what you normally have this with. What do you prefer to have it with? Listen, it is so good. You can have it alone, like by itself with your cup of tea, right? Perfect, like so nice. But of course, you know, some egg and plantain. Oh, I love to add. I love plantain, so of course, plantain just pan everything. But yeah, what do you normally have it with? Plantain, you know, your ackee and saltfish and these. Woo, 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 what are you talking about? Or, you know, some baked bean and sausage. And oh, yes, yes, and another yes. That looks gorgeous. That is perfect. That looks so good. So yeah, I'm gonna take these out. As I said, I love for them that nice, perfect brown color right there. That is what I likes to goes for. Look at them, beautiful. So yeah, just take them out and do it on like medium heat because you don't want them to burn. You need them to soak a bit, right? So yeah, Vibes Fam, that is it. Look at them. They look gorgeous, ready to eat. And Vibes Fam, here we have it. Here we have a nice plate of fried boiled dumplings, looking so dumplicious, looking so dumplingilicious, so good, 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 good. Beautiful. Look at the color, just absolutely beautiful. And I had these with some leftover sweet and sour chicken, and it was the bomb. It was so good. It was so good. Yeah, look at the crisp. Look at the crisp on them. Look at the crisp. So nice and crispy. So nice and crispy, right? I don't like for them to just be, you know, soft. You take them up and your finger just sink into them. No, 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 no. I fry them to a crisp. And actually, they can even get even more, you know, a little more brown. But, you know, for presentation purposes, I'm not going to give it to you too dark. But yeah, Vibes Fam, thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Remember to tell me, my other Caribbean friends, if you normally have this, and also tell me what would you have this with. Yes, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. Thank you for watching. God bless you.